Have you ever wondered what it takes to breathe new life into a legendary landmark? Let's dive inside the jaw-dropping $550 million restoration of the Hotel del Coronado, a California icon that's been turning heads since 1888. Now picture this, the grand Victorian front porch, polished to perfection, the majestic lobby shining brighter than ever, and guest rooms so elegantly redone. They blend that old-school charm with every modern comfort you can imagine. We're talking deep wood tones, cheerful colors, checkerboard marble floors, and vanities that look straight out of a time machine. It's history, but with a fresh coat of luxury. This wasn't your average paint job. A crack team of architects, designers, and historians worked hand in hand to nail every tiny detail, making sure the Del's famous characters stayed front and center. Now let's talk taste buds. Two brand new dining spots are stealing the show. First up, veranda. It's a nod to the hotel's original one, 800-foot wraparound porch, serving up classic American dishes with farm-fresh local flair. Then there's Nobu del Coronado. Yep, that Nobu, serving signature sushi and California-inspired plates, all with a jaw-dropping oceanfront view. Big event on your calendar? The Crown Room, Cornet Room, and Ocean Ballroom have all been lovingly restored. Original wood floors gleaming, historic frescoes back in the spotlight, and the latest tech tucked discreetly behind the scenes. And let's not forget the Victorian garden courtyard. They even brought back the Naiad Queen Fountain after more than a century. Every plant, every path, picked to capture that timeless Victorian vibe. So next time you're dreaming of a getaway, remember, the Del isn't just back, it's better than ever. Until then, do not forget to like, share, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more travel news.